Hey, what's up, guys? So it's weekend, Saturday. I just got called in for a no power call. It's only affecting one customer, and this one super easy to find. As soon as I rolled up, we noticed the cutout is broken on the transformer there. Let's zoom in a little bit. There we go, right in the center of the screen. You can see that not only is the door open, but the bottom of the cutout is completely gone. So our first step in a situation like this, where it is repairs on the high voltage side of the transformer, we got to call in some backup. So I'm going to call one of the guys on call in one of the neighboring districts. He probably won't be too long getting here. In the meantime, I'll let the customer know as soon as my backup arrives. It's a pretty quick and easy fix. One of the first things we're going to be doing here is we want to clear the hazard where the porcelain is already cracked in the cutout. Before we touch anything, we want to de-energize that cutout. So we're going to use a hot stick to untap it. Now, where it is cracked, sometimes as soon as you disturb that, it could break apart, the rest of it could fall apart. And if that 7200 volt lead touches the bracket or the bottom of the lightning arrestor or even the pole in some circumstances, we could have a nasty arc flash. So we're going to take a little bit closer look and see what kind of shape the rest of that cutout is in. If I have any doubts whatsoever, I'll have to take out the whole line. I wouldn't take a permit on it and ground it. We could just open the line and remove it with sticks. Another option is to use hotline bolt cutters. We actually couldn't even remove that tap clamp. So we came down and got the equipment to cut the lead with the hotline cutters, and of course our hotline ratchet to change the stirrup, which it was also seized on. If we really wanted to, we could take a hold off on the line. We could turn the recloser to one shot, go hands on that primary and get that old stirrup off. But two things: we can't go hands on the line when it's raining like this. We can't rubber glove in the rain. And the second thing is it's not going to hurt anything. So we simply put a new stirrup on and new tap clamp, brushed up all the connections. Another step we want to do is eliminate any back feed. It's only affecting a single house. So, and I don't hear a generator or anything, but part of our procedure is to 100% eliminate that chance of back feed. So we have a few options. One of the options, we could go to the house and remove the meter. Another option would be to remove the secondary leads from the transformer. And probably the easiest option, we're just going to install a set of secondary grounds on the low voltage bushings of the transformer. All right, so I'm not sure how that's going to turn out with all that rain. Hopefully the lens didn't get blocked off too much by all that rain. So thanks for stopping in as always, guys. What'd you think of the new intro? We're trying to cut out a little bit more fat in the videos, get straight to the point, as per recommendations from a few viewers over the last few months. So let me know what you think. Thanks for stopping in, and we'll see you next time.